am a mom, I could not express how much I love my kids, how much they mean to me, and how much they bring joy in my life. Mother's Day is my favorite holiday of the year. It is one day that I don't have to do anything. One day that all my hard work for my family is appreciated and celebrated. This day, I am overly pampered. Pamper your mom with Ana Luisa jewelries. I have been using Ana Luisa for about a year now, and they never tarnish. I use them every day. Some of the Ana Luisa pieces that I have, I never take off. The quality of Ana Luisa is long lasting. It's crafted with care from the best metals, and it has warranty for a year. Ana Luisa has fair prices. There's no markup. Their jewelry starts at $39. I love this medium-sized hoop earrings. I've been looking for the perfect hoop earrings. I'm so glad Ana Luisa has them. I know for sure that Carl picked this necklace, this dainty, heart-shaped necklace. It's so cute, like my Carl. These small pavé hoop earrings are so sparkly. Ana Luisa is the perfect treat or gift, and they are currently running on an exclusive Mother's Day sale. Get 15% off all products using my special link in the description box. It is not affiliated link. Hey everyone, my name is Karina and I'm SwatchQueen. So for today's video, I'm going to use only Huda Beauty products. And I'm also going to show you guys a new palette from Huda Beauty. The Chocolate Brown Obsessions is a chocolate brown palette and it's absolutely beautiful. This is how it looks like. Oh, and I also have the Liquid Matte Minis from the collection. And if you want to know how I created this look, stay tuned. This sponge is new from Morphe and I just got this from a bundle with this brush. I actually love this brush. It is like the Pat McGrath brush, but it's like 10% of the price. I am falling in love with this sponge too. It is very good. This is the first time that I replaced my beauty blender, my Black Pro beauty blender. I already used this palette once. I tried it and it is really good. I have another video of Huda Beauty, full face Huda Beauty, and I actually reviewed this one. I didn't like it. It was so bad. I couldn't blend it and it's just so patchy. I have been seeing reviews from other people that it's so good, that it's the best cream bronzer in the market and they love. Maybe something's wrong with mine. Bought mine from the first launch. Maybe they did something about it. They reformulated. Huda Beauty is known to reformulate their stuff. I noticed that with their liquid eyeshadows, they reformulated those. The second launch was so much better than the first launch. Their eyeshadows, they reformulated. And this one, I'm so in love. It's so good. It's so creamy. It blends so beautifully. It blends by itself. I'm actually impressed and I'm glad I repurchased it. Huda did it again. This one is pretty good. The e.l.f. Foundation Blurring Brush. Maybe I was just too dark for me, but it was so patchy. This one is not. It's very blendable. Look, it's already blended. No effort, and it's beautiful. I wish they come up with powder, bronzer, and blush. Maybe duo. And then this one is from Real Techniques. This is the orange one. I just painted it with nail polish. I am whispering because everybody's sleeping here. This contour, cream contour, is so good. It blends by itself. Okay, the foundation looks so good. I got a different color. This one is Shortcake. I used to be Dulce de Leche. I noticed that most of their golden are too yellow for me now. Easy bake. I like using banana bread for under eye, and I use Blondie all over my face, so I'm gonna do that. I love Huda Beauty's concealer. It never creases on me. Next is my brows. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Bomb Brows Micro Shade Brow Pencil in Soft Black. I recommend this brow pencil, this one, and Charlotte Tilbury's brow pencil. They're fabulous too, and they're pretty good. I think Charlotte Tilbury is more expensive. So finally, there is a lot of sunshine here in New York. I start getting color. I was too pale wintertime. We didn't go out for like 3 months. Just stayed at home. For my eye prep, I'm going to use Soft Ochre MAC Paint Pot. Alright, we're ready for the palette. For today's palette is the Chocolate Brown Huda Beauty. Alright guys, so this is the palette. This is how it looks like in front. It's so pretty. It has that turquoise design at the back. It's just simple with a sticker. I love this Huda Beauty component. So this is the brownest palette among the 3 palettes. It's so pretty. I hope that it's not gonna pull red on my eyes and it's gonna turn just like chocolatey brown. So most of Huda Beauty's eyeshadows, when it comes to brown shadows, most of her brown shadows turn pink on my eyes, so I hope it's not gonna happen with this one. I want like a smoky brown, like a smoky eye look. First, I'm going to get the middle shade right here. I was gonna put this one, but this one is pulling pink, like a peachy tone. This one is from KKW Beauty. Put this all over my lid. I love this brush from KKW Beauty. It is, I think, the under eye brush, concealer brush, and a blending brush, but she uses it for brightening powder under eyes. I love it. It's such a good blending brush. All right, next I'm going to get this shade right here. Okay, I'm gonna use this. This is the sticky from the mirror. Okay, let's see if it works. Yep, it works. But I don't want it too harsh, the line, so I'm gonna blend it a little bit. So it is pulling pink again. I'm gonna get Morphe M506. I'm going to get the darkest shade in the palette, this matte right here. You know what, I'm gonna leave that 1/4 right here. Cover 3/4 of my lid with this shade. This brown is super good though. I'm going to use all the metallic shades. I'm gonna start with this one. It is marble. It has pink flakes, and if you swirl it, it looks like rose gold. I'm gonna put this in the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I'm going to use this medium shade. It is a very chocolatey metallic brown. And the last shade that I'm going to use is this shade right here. This is the darkest metallic. It has pink flakes like this shade, but it's very chocolatey brown, and it looks like this. It has pink sheen, so pretty. I'm gonna put that in the outer corner. I have some fallout. This one is a Luxie 131 mini angled. I'm gonna pick up this dark shade and put that on my under eye. And then I'm gonna pick up the orange one with the same brush, and I'm going to run that under my eye. Okay, that's a beautiful shade. And then I'm gonna grab the KKW Beauty that I just used for the first color. I'm going to run that under my eyes to blend everything. And the last shade I'm going to use is this beautiful shade right here. It's the lightest metallic shade. So pretty. Okay, you guys have to see this. It's so pretty. It's like a champagne pink gold. Kind of want to build it more. It's so pretty. Okay, now I'm going to put Anastasia Beverly Hills for my brow. This is the Brow Freeze. For my bronzer, I'm going to use the Kylie Cosmetics Pressed Bronzing Powder. This one is in Almond. This one is the xoxo. I'm going to put this all over my cheeks like a blush and a bronzer too. And then I'm going to put a little bit of peach. This one is the Palatial. I'm gonna put this on the apple of my cheeks, just a little bit. And that's it. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Pink Sands Edition. This cream highlighter right here. It's so pretty. And then I'm gonna use this one right here. This one is Azores. And just put it right here on my forehead, chin, nose. And then I'm gonna pick up the pink, put it on my cheeks a little bit. That's a lot. Okay, I don't have the Huda Beauty spray. I am going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Okay, next I'm going to define my eyes. First, I'm going to use, this one is the Makeup by Mario Eyeliner Master Pigment Pro Pencil, Perfect Brown. Okay, I'm going to tight line with a brown pencil. I'm gonna use the brush on the other side and then pull that. So put a little bit in the inner corner of my eyes. Alright, last for the eyes, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty mascara. This one is the double-sided mascara, Legit Lashes. It has the curl length and the volume. It's pretty cool. You can choose whatever you like and you can use both. Today I want to give it a try to use both. Next, I'm going to use the curl side. And then I'm going to use the length curl underneath. think we're done with the eyes. I'm not gonna put lashes today. Alright guys, I also got the lipsticks from the Huda Beauty website. They are exclusive from Huda Beauty. You're not gonna get this in other vendors. Bundle that I bought, which is the palette and the lipstick, it was $45. It was a big discount, so I got it. It has 4 liquid matte minis. The packaging is the same as the palette. It's so cute. So there is Trendsetter, which is an OG in their collection. There is Alpha Femme. There is Her Majesty, and On Top. I'm going to create another video. I will link the video in the description box if you are interested in that. For this video, I'm going to use just one lipstick, On Top. So this is the bag that the bundle came with. So your palette and then your lipsticks are gonna be in this bag. It's so cute. That's $45. Okay, I found the Trendsetter lip liner. I'm going to use this. Again, this is the lip liner Trendsetter. It's so pretty. And then I'm going to use the lipstick On Top. It is a new shade. And this is the most pink out of 4 lipsticks in the collection. It's the same smell. It's so pretty. Wow. I love this palette. I think that the mattes are absolutely beautiful. The metallics, however, there is a hit and miss. Just this one that is really hard. And I used my finger already. It was still hard. Like every other Huda Beauty shadow, it pulled pink on my lids. Maybe it's just like her taste. I don't know. But I'm kind of disappointed that it's supposed to be like brown. Chocolate brown. I'm really looking for that chocolate brown. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the look for today. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Thank you so much for being with me. Don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!